Hello friends, welcome to Pediatrics by Dr. Saman Fatima. So today we are going to learn how to take the length of the baby with the help of an infantometer. So we all know that till 2 years of age we take length of the baby, and when the baby becomes more than 2 years of age we take height, right? So what is length and what is height? Length is when we take the length in horizontal position, that is in lying down position, because till that age, till the baby is not able to stand. When the child is able to stand properly, we take height of the child. Understood? Now let's quickly revise what is the normal height at birth. So when a baby is born, the normal average height is around 50 centimeters. Around 50 centimeters at birth, it is 50 centimeters. At 1 year of age, the height becomes around 75 centimeters. At 2 years of age, height becomes 87 centimeters, and by the age of 4 years, height doubles. That is, it becomes 100 centimeter. The birth, the height at 4 years is double that of at birth. So we all know that the weight of the baby doubles by the age of 1 year, whereas the height doubles by the age of 4 years. So let's quickly understand how we take length with the help of an infantometer. So here you can see an infantometer. Let's quickly try to understand the concept of this instrument. Basically, this instrument is made to take length up to 100 centimeter. Now this is, sometimes we think that why don't we make a scale of 100 centimeter and simply take the height? Why to make this so much complicated? Because it becomes handy in this way. See, if we fold it both the ends, and it is so handy, right? So इसको थोड़ा सा समझ लेते हैं. It's not that difficult to understand. इसमें दो तीन चीज़ें होती हैं. एक इसमें होता है, ये स्केल होती है. The second part is head end and the third part is foot end. So in this case, the head end is fixed. It's, you cannot move this end, right? Whereas the foot end is mobile. You can see the foot end is movable. It is movable. Now if you look at the markings, here we have markings in centimeter and here we have in inches. So centimeters की marking आप देखिए 1 से लेके ये around 45-46 centimeters तक है. उसके बाद we have continued for another 47 to it's up to 100 centimeter, around 100, 92, 91, 92 तक है. Because we know that 2 years पे height जो है वो हमारी 87 centimeter होती है, तो usually we don't need to measure more than this length. Understood? So what we do, it is for ease basically, right? So ये 50 सेंटीमीटर की ये स्केल है, बट इसको हम मोबाइल करके इसको हम अराउंड 100 सेंटीमीटर्स तक का बना सकते हैं. ठीक है? सो दैट इट इज़ हैंडी, ऑल्सो हैंडी टू यूज़, एंड we can also measure up to 100 centimeters. Now what we do, we suppose we have to take the height of this baby. We will keep the baby over infantometer and then we will इसको हेड एंड पे अच्छे से प्रेस करेंगे. ठीक है? एंड आस्क द मदर टू इमोबिलाइज द हेड, या जो भी अटेंडेंट्स है, या इफ़ यू हैव अ असिस्टेंस विद यू, आस्क देम टू इमोबिलाइज द हेड so that it doesn't move. Then you can read the height over here. Okay, so it is 32 centimeter. See, if the baby is less than 45 centimeter, then it is simply, you can do this. But suppose this same baby is coming up to here. Okay, coming up to here. Just suppose that the baby की जो length है, it is coming up to here. Okay, so then you have to read scale over here. See, यहाँ पे आप रीड करेंगे. It is 37.5 centimeter. 57.5 centimeter. 57.5 centimeter. So that is how we measure the height with the help of infantometer.